Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve an error message that you are receiving on your Windows computer on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This says that Windows could not complete the installation. To install Windows on this computer, restart the installation. So what I'd recommend doing first would be just to close out of the installation wizard and then relaunch it, preferably with administrative permissions. So make sure you are in an administrator account, and if you have the ability to right click on it and then run as administrator, that you do so. So that would be the first thing I'd recommend trying. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And now that we're back in Windows, hopefully if you continue with the installation wizard, hopefully you should be good to go. And if you're still having a problem, you can always try re-downloading the installation media again. That's always worth a shot. And that should be about it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.